Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. We've become fans of the Brava oven, which uses infrared light, built-in recipes, and app control too, to enable cooking that is fun, easy, and it turns out safer. The exterior is cool to the touch, and it's designed to turn itself off when finished. And that has attracted many older adults. VP Travis Rea.
I always thought, when we were developing Brava, because it had a digital touchscreen and an integrated app and everything, that it would be really more for early tech adopters. But one of the biggest groups sort of out of the gate for us was seniors. And in retrospect, it made sense.
In fact, Brava is now an enterprise participant in the Age Tech Collaborative from AARP. Learn more at brava.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com or just click on the link at Techstination.com.